2000 Profit System Review. Can you earn $2,000 weekly? Find out. The idea of earning a steady $2,000 every week sounds almost too good to be true. Enter the 2000 Profit System, a platform that claims it can help people achieve this income level through a structured, 4-step online program, promising high earnings with minimal experience required. The 2000 Profit System has caught the eye of many aspiring online entrepreneurs. But is it as good as it sounds, or does it fall short of expectations? In this 2000 Profit System Review, we'll break down everything you need to know. What exactly is the 2000 Profit System? The 2000 Profit System was developed by Kurt Tasche, an online entrepreneur with a track record of helping others build online income. The program is designed as a done-for-you system, meaning you don't need extensive technical knowledge or previous experience to get started. Instead, you're provided with a series of steps and tools to begin promoting products and services that can yield commissions up to $2,000 per transaction. Here's the breakdown of what's included in the 2000 Profit System. 4-step training. The platform offers a 4-step process that teaches users how to set up, market, and drive traffic to their own affiliate link, enabling commission earnings. Access to proven traffic sources. The system provides access to curated traffic sources, meaning users don't need to experiment with finding an audience from scratch. Instead, you're shown traffic vendors and techniques that have already been tested and optimized for conversions. Community and support. Unlike many income platforms, the 2000 Profit System emphasizes its community, connecting you with other users and providing ongoing support and training. This 2000 Profit System Review will now take a closer look at each step in the system and evaluate how realistic the promised earnings are. How does the 2000 Profit System work? The 2000 Profit System is structured to be as beginner-friendly as possible, with just a few basic steps. Step 1. Create a free account. Signing up for the 2000 Profit System is free and easy. When you create an account, you also receive a $100 hotel savings card, a nice perk for new members. Step 2. Meet your sponsor and set up your system. Upon joining, you're introduced to a sponsor who helps you navigate the platform and provides guidance through the 4-step setup process. This step includes tutorials on creating a profitable affiliate link and basic marketing strategies. Step 3. Drive traffic using proven vendors. A standout feature in this 2000 Profit System Review is the system's focus on traffic. Traffic is essential for any online business, and here, you're given access to vendors and advertising strategies that can bring targeted visitors to your link. This curated traffic list can save time, although there may be additional costs involved if you choose paid advertising. Step 4. Earn commissions of up to $2,000. The primary draw of the 2000 Profit System is the high commission rate. The program enables you to earn up to $2,000 per sale, a figure that adds up quickly if you're able to generate consistent traffic and conversions. What are the benefits of the 2000 Profit System? This 2000 Profit System Review highlights several features that set it apart from typical online income programs. Beginner-friendly. The 4-step system is designed for people with little to no experience in online marketing. The training materials provide clear, easy-to-follow guidance on setup and execution. High earning potential. Earning up to $2,000 per week, or even per sale, is a significant draw. This can lead to substantial monthly earnings, even if you're only able to close a few sales. Community and support. With access to a network of fellow members and weekly team training sessions, users have a support system to lean on. This can be a great resource for troubleshooting, sharing strategies, and staying motivated. Proven traffic resources. By providing vetted traffic sources, the system takes some of the guesswork out of marketing, making it easier for new users to start seeing results quickly. Potential downsides of the 2000 Profit System. While the 2000 Profit System has promising features, it's not without potential drawbacks. Not entirely free. Although the system is advertised as free, users may need to invest in paid traffic sources to see real results. Traffic is crucial to the system's success, and high-quality traffic often comes at a cost. Earnings are not guaranteed. While the 2000 profit system markets itself as a way to earn $2,000 per week, results will vary. As with any business venture, success depends on individual effort, market conditions, and consistency. Requires consistent marketing efforts. The system does not generate income passively without consistent promotion and advertising. Users should be prepared to invest time and resources into driving traffic consistently. Can you really make $2,000 per week? In this 2000 profit system review, the most pressing question is whether the advertised income level is actually achievable. In theory, yes, users can earn up to $2,000 per week, but reaching this goal requires commitment. The program emphasizes that results hinge on taking massive action. This means actively engaging in the community, learning to optimize advertising techniques, and putting in the necessary hours. For those who are ready to make a dedicated effort, the potential is real. High-ticket commissions mean that even a handful of sales could lead to substantial earnings. However, new users should approach the system with realistic expectations and understand that not every member will earn at this level, especially not immediately. Who is the 2000 profit system best for? This 2000 profit system review suggests that the program is best suited for individuals who are new to online marketing. The program's straightforward, 4-step system makes it accessible for beginners who may not have prior marketing experience. Want high-ticket commissions? The high earning potential per sale is ideal for those looking to earn significant income without handling a large volume of low-ticket sales. Have time for traffic generation and optimization. The system's effectiveness relies heavily on a steady flow of traffic, so it's ideal for people willing to put in the work on traffic and conversions. If you're comfortable with investing both time and resources, the 2000 profit system could provide a viable income stream. Just keep in mind that, as with any online business, ongoing learning and adaptation are crucial for long-term success. Final verdict: is the 2000 profit system worth it? To wrap up this 2000 profit system review, it's clear that the platform offers a well-structured pathway for online income, with a particularly appealing commission structure. Earning $2,000 per week is a possibility, but as with any online business model, there's no guarantee. Those willing to invest time in learning the system, experimenting with traffic sources, and staying engaged with the community may see the most success. In short, the 2000 profit system is worth exploring if you're serious about building a reliable income stream and are ready to commit to its strategies. The high-ticket commissions are a compelling incentive, but prospective users should approach the system with realistic expectations, understanding that results depend largely on their efforts.